What's going on, everyone? Today is January the 9th, 2019, and this is my trade journal trade recap for the day. I came in the market with a fresh mind. If you saw my video trade recap yesterday from January the 8th, I did not have a very good day. I had five loser trades all in a row. I did not have one single winner, and then it ended up the day down 45 ticks in the ES. So today I really wanted to come in and start with a fresh mind and really try and not think about making the money back that I lost yesterday, or try and revenge trade, or try and keep the losses in the back of my mind all day. So keeping a fresh mind, I think it's important, and understanding that um, your every trade is a new set, is a new outcome. You can't let your past losers or winners dictate how your next trade is coming out. It doesn't mean that it's going to be the same or any different. You just need to keep in mind that it's a separate trade altogether. So this morning, I came in and I'm looking to trade off of the 2590s, 2587 actually area. So I saw that the price touched there, and there was lots of liquidity offers at the top. It pulled back down, as you can see here, and it popped back up, and liquidity came in again. And you see me entering here when I saw the liquidity come back in at 2587 there. So I entered in with one contract at first, um, looking to scale in if it came back to that area. One more contract, and let's speed things up here because it's a little longer trade. I see that more offers are coming in. You see those that heat map there at the 2586s there. So I am still stalking here. I see that it pops up, all of it flushes up, and at this point I'm like, this might take me out. You see my stop loss there, and I'm wondering if I should scale in. So I'm just waiting here at this point. I haven't scaled in to another contract. So then I start seeing offers flashing in and out, and I'm just waiting to see and looking at the order flow to see where we are going to end up here. If it flushes down lower, I'm going to enter in another contract, and I think at some point here I entered another contract in, so I'm just waiting for it to tell me which way it's going to go. So I'm currently still short one contract. Okay, so I start seeing it flush in. I enter in another contract. I see offers up top, flushing in and out. So at this point, I feel quite confident that this trade it's pulled back, and I've entered two contracts in. So my stops remains the same. I have a scale out about 6 ticks away, right before that bid liquidity there on the heat map, looking to scale out and reduce my risk. And I'm looking for a second scale out at the low of days. So low of the day, I believe that's in the 70s area, 76 area. So at this point, it's just lulling around, basically waiting for watching order flow to see what's happening. One of my goals is to try and set my target, set my risk, and then just leave it. Don't touch the trade, in order to try not to get scared out here. And as you'll see, this is where the most stressful part of my trades are, at least. Just waiting for something to happen, and it's just going sideways. So you see here, it literally just one tick away from taking me out on this trade, and yeah, this is stressful for me at least. And I try really, really hard not to move my stop, because I don't want to take more risk. And at the same time, sometimes I feel like, oh, maybe I should just stop out earlier. But of course, when that happens, it always goes in my favor as I intended, and so that's why made it a habit or a goal trying not to touch a trade after I set everything up. So the risk here remains the same. You see it kind of go around sideways a little bit more. Um, we're speeding things up here, just so because it just goes sideways for quite a while in my mind, at least. Really, it's only about 5 minutes or so. So when you're in the trade, you're just watching every single thing. Okay, so it's coming back here. It's approaching my first scale out. I'm just waiting for it to flush down. If it cracks that area, so yeah, flushes down. So first scale out, I leave my stop where it is. And my next scale out is at the low of day. It keeps flushing down, so at this point I'm quite confident with this trade here. So I have that second target there at the, what is it, 78 actually, sorry, not 76, it's in the 78.50. Okay, just continue to watch order flow. Speed things up a little bit here. So you'll see me pull down my stop here because at this point I'm in about like 30 some odd ticks into the trade in my favor. So I just really want to make sure I don't get it pulls back super fast, and I just want to make sure that I'm taking my profit here. So I'm trailing and behind consolidation there. Looking for pretty much at this point to break liquidity. It looks like it wants to push through, so I just want to make sure that I don't give back all those ticks that I've gained. Okay, so it takes me out, and I am up on the day, 39 ticks. And I'm quite happy at this point, being that yesterday was a very unprofitable day for me, and I just really happy that I was able to keep a fresh mind, clear mind coming in and look at the market and the order flow objectively, so I can make the right trading decisions. Pretty much the trade from yesterday, I just was not in tune with it, and today, you just need to stick with what your plan is and always trade the way you think your edge will come out and allow the edge to come out. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video and like some of the thoughts, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Otherwise, you can leave comments and see if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching.